Well, you're still with me now. You've had a chance to look through all the materials on Section 1. And now we're into Section 2, where it's time to really just take stock of where you are on the process of being a college recruit, from where you are at your situation in high school, athletically, academically, and where you're headed. So the first question is, pause the video and take a look here, really to make an evaluation of where you are now in your particular sport. And at the same token, use the attached sheet to get an idea of where you stand as a student. If you were a college coach recruiting yourself, how would you evaluate yourself as a student? What would your teachers and counselors say about you? What would an admissions officer at the college level think about you? So, really, where are you right now at this moment as a student? And then, depending on what age you are, where do you want to be in a year or 2 years? Do you want to play Division III, Division II, Division I? Do you want to be a redshirt as a freshman or not play until your junior or senior year? Do you want to make an immediate impact? Do you want to play after college? Do you want to have a college pick of your choice based on your grades? What do you want to study? What do you want to major in? What do you want to learn and do after college? Have you taken stock of really where your goals are? And any goal setting is all about having a plan. So if you are a football player and you currently run a 5.2 and you know to play at Division I at your position, you need to run a 4.8. Well, you need to get faster. Well, that's pretty obvious. So what is your plan? What are you going to do to be faster in a year? What are you going to do to be faster next month? How are you going to get faster this week? How are you going to get faster today or tomorrow? And that's really what we're talking about in this section.